The best scenarios for a strong workers' compensation case regarding the requirement that the attorney prove a relationship between the job environment and exposure to the virus would be frontline workers, would be one example. That's nursing homes. That would be long-term care facilities, any healthcare facility that required its workers to deal with folks who had been exposed to or eventually were diagnosed with the coronavirus. Meatpacking facilities, facilities that had major clusters of outbreaks, which also helps in the process by which the lawyer proves, through his burden of proof, has to prove a connection between the work and the virus. If you have a large group of people at, say, a meatpacking facility who all get it and who all are testing positive and getting symptoms around the same time, the chances of the defense being able to show that all those people picked it up somewhere else other than work is highly diminished, because you have the force of that evidence, the timing, the timeline, and the close nature and cluster of that work environment helps prove the case to a level where the defense is going to have a much more difficult time creating a gap between the work issues and the virus itself. But with a cluster or a frontline work situation, proving that as it being most likely related to the work activity is much easier for the worker, especially in a situation where you have a group of workers come to the same attorney with the same evidence and can all have individual cases, but be sharing the same law firm and sharing the same great information that proves the timeline, that proves how close in time those positive tests came back, and also proves the circumstances at work, a lack of PPE, a lack of following guidelines. All that could be used as a group to have a much better case through the strength of many.